Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Crowdcast for course sessions, complete guide step by step clearly. First, navigate to the Crowdcast website and log into your account. Once logged in, click on the Create Event button on your dashboard. Choose the event type based on your needs, such as live or series. Fill in the event details, including the title, date, and time for your course session. You can also add a description to provide participants with an overview of what to expect. Next, select the appropriate options for ticketing, if applicable. You can choose between free, paid, or donation-based tickets. Then, set up the registration options by clicking on Registration Settings. Here, you can customize questions for attendees. Once registration settings are complete, move on to the Customization tab. In this section, you can adjust your event branding, including logos and color themes. After customizing, go to the Integrations tab to link any third-party tools you want to use. Crowdcast supports various integration options, such as email marketing services. Next, return to the main event page and review your details for accuracy. Make sure all the time zones are set correctly for your audience. When you're ready, hit the Publish button to make your event live. If you plan to host multiple sessions, consider creating a series to manage them more efficiently. Finally, send out invitations to your participants with the registration link. Keep your attendees informed with reminder emails as the event date approaches. Now you are all set to conduct your course sessions using Crowdcast. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.